Hey guys, thanks for joining this course. Let me introduce myself. Myself, Saurabh. I'll be your instructor throughout this course. This is the course basically to get started with Java and understand how much is Java is really needed and what are the building blocks in order to write the automation scripts. So I have worked with all these companies as an automation engineer, a full-time role with Oracle, Cognizant, Cisco, Zensar, and Workday. And my day-to-day job is to build automation scripts, to review automation scripts, and uh, and keeping all those knowledge in mind, keeping all those working experience in my mind, I created this course. And this is going to be a small videos, and I hope you guys will enjoy this course. And if you find it difficult to understand any topic, feel free to drop me an email. I spend almost half an hour every day to answer all my emails, so feel free to connect with me over Facebook, or just give me a call maybe sometimes if you want to chat with me. So see you in the course. Thank you.